Hi, I am Sartaj. So today I am going to show you a to-do list application that I have built. This is my to-do list application that I have built, and this is very simple to-do application, and I will implement in further video. So here we will add some tasks like, and I can edit. It will add local storage, and in my further video I will implement for cloud storage, and here I will not implement check or uncheck. After completing task we can delete task. Now let's see its implementation. This is src folder, and in this src folder I have created a component folder and pages folder. And pages folder I have home.js, and in this my implementation. Here you can check to dos and set to do use state, and here we can check the data is available or not. If to do is available, then it will store to do, and otherwise it set blank array. Then this is input use state for taking text from the input search. Then I have handle add today. It will add today in this and store local storage. Then I have handle delete today. It will delete today's from local storage and list. Then I have handle input chain. Now this is my UI code. You can check. Now I want to move this part in a context API because this will messy to improve in home.jsx file. So now let's create context API. I create a context file, and in this I create a in this I will import, and to do context let's write code export const to do context equal to create context. Now create to do context. Now create provider to do context provider export const to do provider equal to children. And return to do context dot provider value children. Here I will write const value and pass here. Now let's import it in home.jsx file. First of all, move this code in context API. Okay, and now import it. I need to do's input handler to do and everything, and I don't need it. And I need to import use context and to do context. Now we can check what is the problem here. Okay, I need to write to do provider. Then in this app, okay, and remove it. Let's check. Use stage is not. We need to initialize use state, and now use effect. Now application run perfectly. Okay. Now I want to implement timestamp and description in my application. So let's create its UI. I have search bar, then input and button. So I want to create a title, description, current time, and deadline date, then add to dos. Okay, so I need to modify this. So let's cut and create a div, and in this div I add it. Then class add border green 500. Perfect. And its background, its BG should be this, or this. Okay, now search bar and remove this button. Okay, I have clean code for writing perfectly. Now let's create text area. Text area, and in this class name placeholder description, and this is not good, so I need to create flex and column flex. After that I keep more div. First I write here description, description box, write here date and time selection. Okay, at input date. Okay, now let's create one border, one border here, and bg white, okay, add some gap for awesome, px2 also write here px2 and rounded lg, also write here rounded lg. Last name bg white, text black, text font bold, px2 rounded lg. median. And this is my UI, and this is input file, and it will take title, then text area for taking description, then selection date, and then button for adding to do in backend data. I can add task 1 description, then I can add not add to task is added, but